Hey, hi, my name is Sudhir Khollam and welcome to my video blogs. Today I have a question from one of the visitors on my website, and that question is how to achieve consistency in performance. And for those who don't know, you could just go on to my website sudhirkhollam.com. On the homepage there's a form which you could just fill out and send your questions to me, and I'll make all the attempts to get back to you through either videos, through either email, through any other shape, way or form to attempt to solve your queries. All right, so let's get to this very quickly. Consistency in performance. So let me first assume that you are achieving the performance levels that you are expecting. You are already achieving the results that you want. All right, so the first thing to achieve consistency in performance is simply systemize. All right, whatever you are doing in your business, whatever is working for you, make sure you have set the system for it. All right, when I say system, it does not mean the system has to be here. The system has to be written. It has create manuals for it, whatever that is working for you, be it your production, be it your marketing, be it your administration, whatever, any particular work, any particular thing that is working for you in your business, be it a sales pitch, or if you are into the design industry, be it the way you create a design, or if you are in the manufacturing industry, a way a product is manufactured. All right, make sure it is all written down, it is all systemized in the easiest possible language. All right, anybody could read that particular manual and just follow the steps. All right, and that is where you create the same result again and again. All right, when we say consistency in performance, what we want basically is the same result again and again and again and again, right? So make sure the first thing you do is systemize. The second thing, for the systems to work, you need discipline. All right, so make sure you and your teams are absolutely disciplined to follow that system day in, day out, every moment, every day. And that is where, whenever the system gets followed, you will create that result, right? So discipline is absolutely critical. Now there's a third thing, this might not fit into the box directly, but this has a big, huge impact, and that is your health. All right, if you're not fit enough, you're not going to have the discipline to follow the system. It's as simple as that. If you're not fit enough, you're ill, 3 to 4 days of your precious time in your business is gone. If you're not fit enough, sometimes it might take 6 months. All right, to keep fit, you need to be working on your fitness, on your health every day. You need to have the right coaches guiding you in your health, right? When I say health, I need not necessarily mean go to the gym. That could be a part of it. Yoga could also be a part of it. Whatever your health coach advises, following that day in, day out regularly, because your health, your physical fitness is what is going to give you the energy to be disciplined and follow the systems. And that energy shows, right? Every time you are interacting with any client, with your employees or anyone, that energy is the one thing that you give out, and that is what you get back. The kind of energy that you give out, the same is what you are going to get back. So if you are really low on energy, what you are going to get back is really low energy, right? Be it from your employees, be it from your clients, anyone. So stay fit, stay healthy. Let not your health, ill health affect your business. All right. The fourth thing, and the most important to staying healthy, being disciplined, and systemizing your processes, you need to have a vision. You need to have a clear-cut vision that ignites that fire in you. What is your most important why? Why you're doing what you're doing? If you want to earn money, why is it that you want to earn money? Right? Massively important reasons for you that ignite your soul, that ignite you on fire. It puts you on fire, every time you're thinking of that particular thing. And this is what is going to give you continuous motivation, continuous dedication, to keep working on your health, to systemize, to be disciplined. And that is where the consistent performance happens, right? And this is not only about you. Even if your teams, does every member of your team knows why they are doing what they are doing? All right, it might be money, but money is a result, right? You need to know why you need to earn money. What are you going to do with that money? Alright, in one of our courses, Business Directions, we talk a hell lot of this particular thing, and I make sure you know your exact reason why you want to do it. And there's fifth thing that I want to add in this that just came into my mind, and that fifth thing is which I have created something called as the law of results, right? If you want to have consistent results from your team, you need to know this law of results. All right, and I talk about this extensively in my program Actions and Results, which I do once every month. You can check out the website on the next dates of that particular workshop. This law of results has changed my life, and the three businesses that I run, all the businesses run on this law of results. All right, so you need to know that law of results to keep having consistency in performance. All right, so please remember the four things which we spoke about. The first thing, systemize. Second thing, discipline. Third thing, work on your health continuously. And the fourth thing is have a vision, have a compelling reason why you're doing what you're doing, and keep motivated all the time. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. You're awesome. Thank you so much.